at this, man. So sick.
Hop in the whip, you know it's time. Yeah, little shawty, show me how you ride.
Yo, what's up, guys? Hope you're having a wonderful day. It's a wonderful Monday morning right now, and we're headed up to North Carolina. We're going to the Delux rally launch meet. It's a whole 5-day rally. They're even gonna hit the tail of the dragon, which is awesome. I just wish I knew about it sooner so I could have prepped for it. You can line them on Facebook at Delux Rally. Definitely subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can get notified whenever I upload. Follow the car build on Instagram at SansGen to keep up with it, of course, and definitely shop TunerGodz merch so you can you know, support the channel. Yo, support your boy. Links will be in the description below. It's a beautiful day in the Midlands, guys. You know, sun's out. It's early as heck in the morning. We're going to the Gopro Motorplex in Mooresville, so I'm excited. Oh my, look at all these supercars, bro. Yo, this rally is about to be insane. McLaren 650S right here. Beautiful car, man. Black and white, pearl white, maybe yin and yang. You know, it complements itself so great, dude. Super clean car. And we got another 650S right here, man. This is the one I actually rode in the other day. Love this car, dude. Super fast. Fastest car I've been in to this day. Mercedes with the matte wrap, or is it paint perhaps? Beautiful car, bro. Shelby GT 500 right here. Oh my god, bro, so clean, dog. Cobra, fast as hell. 700 horsepower plus stock. That's insane, bro. I love this car. This is like one of the only Mustangs I'd actually want. Super clean 5.0 right here. Like it. Love the blue on it. Love those headlights on the Mustangs too, man. Super clean. And that lip on the front, dog. AMG Mercedes, silver and black. Sweet ride. Loving it. Do you remember that beautiful Porsche from the Waxhaw meet that we went to? I think this is it. And it's looking clean, bro. I love it, bro. Love this. This is one of the only Porsches that I actually want. GT3. Come on, dog. Come on. Look at this, bro. TTRS. Tuned, full bolt-on, whatever it might be. These cars are fast as hell, bro. I've seen them clap GTRs. And you know I'm a GTR fanboy, so that kind of hurts. That kind of hurts me a little bit. But still love this car, though. Dude, look at this thing, bro. How are you? Oh, my gosh, bro. What is this? Oh, I don't like that number on the side, but you know, these lug nut studs are crazy. Audi R8 right here, bro. Love this car. Definitely have to add one to the collection one day. Sweet V10, bro. That sounds so nice. We got another AMG right here, bro, and it's looking really good, man. I like that matte wrap on it. Porsche Turbo S right here. Clean car, clean build. Love it. Man, these cars are gonna kill the rally, dog. Wide body C7. That's the first one I can definitely say I've seen in person, bro. And it looks really good. It's a Z06 too. Supercharged. Take a look at this thing from the back, man. Dog. A wide body though. And it's not like a Liberty Walk kit or a Rocket Bunny kit where it's like, oh my gosh, this is like too much. Nah, dude, this is nice. Audi RS3 right here, man. And besides the R8s, these are some badass cars, dude. I really do enjoy them, and they're fast as hell too, especially tuned and whatnot. My boy's #1 too, man. Sheesh, dog. Corvette, man, I like that. Z51 Corvette right here, silver, looking good, bro. And then we also have a 5.0 right here, which is super clean too. And then we have another Z06, which is like awesome. I've never seen a Z06 in this color before, man. You know, and then we also have a 5.0, bro. So everyone's going to Hickory Motor Speedway mean, why not? Let's do it. So clean, bro. So clean. Nice. DRS. Yes. Super nice. Bro. Everybody headed. No, man. Rally, 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 dude. All right. I'm excited. this lineup, dude. This is like so dope, man. Like to have a whole collective of just car lovers, supercar owners, fast car owners, just a bunch of us, man. out here, you know, just driving our cars, you know, driving our fancy little cars. We're just out here having fun, dude, and that's what it's all about. Still love this Porsche though, man. Oh my god. Look at the whole lineup, bro. So dope. We are riding in the R8, bro. Sweet. Welcome. Oh man. Oh man, this track is bumpy, bro. My man. Oh my gosh. And people are supposed to go like 100 miles an hour on this?
Yeah, I don't know.
My gosh, dude. We need the road people to come you know, put some pavement down, fix it at least. Look at this, man. So sick. So sweet, bro. Beautiful. Dog. That's crazy, man. Yo, that's the thumbnail right there. All in all, that was so dope, man. Like I said, I wish I could like come along with these awesome people and do this 5-day rally, but I just wasn't prepared. Met some wonderful people. It was an awesome experience. Just make sure you follow Tour Deluxe Rally on Facebook for me now, please. And definitely subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can get notified whenever I upload. Be sure to follow the car build on Instagram at Sazigen so you can keep up with it. And if you want to support the channel, then definitely shop TunerGodz merch. The link will be below in the description. Support your boy. But we're going to wrap this up right here. So you already know. Peace, love, sleep in grease. Like, share, and subscribe for more vlogs, videos like this one. Because of Saze Vlogs.
Baby, the way you throw it back, I be losing control. Baby, I see a future together, maybe I'll talk. Rumors crazy, they saying we won't make it to tomorrow. Baby, got your hair in my life. With you, I feel I have a right. Baby, with you, I feel alive. Baby, I see you in my life.